A new year usually means new goals, right? And maybe one of those goals is finding a new place to call home. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or a seller looking for a replacement property, buying a home in 2025 is an exciting adventure. So, how do you make that dream a reality? Let me share some quick and fun tips to help you get started. Hi, I'm Cheryl Folks with Superior Town & Country Group at eXp Realty, and let's dive in. Tip number 1, focus on your why. Why do you want to move in the first place? Maybe you need more space, you want to downsize, or it's finally time to buy that very first home. Your why is your North Star. It'll keep you motivated and focused throughout the process. Tip number 2, get clear on your needs. It's time to make that list. Write down your must-haves, your nice-to-haves, and your no-way item. Is a home office essential? Dreaming of a backyard with a pool? Know your priorities makes it easier to focus on the right homes, especially if you're working on a budget. Tip number 3, know your numbers. This is a big one. Take a close look at your finances. How much have you saved? What monthly payments feel comfortable? Work with a lender to plan your down payment, explore assistance programs, and get pre-approved. That way you're ready to make a strong offer as soon as we find that perfect home. Tip number 4, lean on a pro. Partnering with an experienced agent is a game changer. They'll help you make informed decisions, navigate negotiations, and guide you through every step from planning to closing. A great agent knows the market inside and out, from pricing trends to inventory in your dream neighborhoods. Buying or selling a home is a huge milestone, but with the right support, it's absolutely achievable. My team and I are here to make your 2025 real estate goals a reality. Let's connect today and start making your dreams happen.